Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla-tunity, and today we're going to follow up on last week's carbon fiber dash cap video. As you know, Signature Customs did an awesome job with my center console and a carbon fiber vinyl, but it's got to go, and I hate to do that. But, you know, here it is. It already went. So let me show you how easy it is to take it off and kind of ease any concerns if you are interested in doing the same thing. So as you can see, Signature Customs did an absolutely phenomenal job with this wrap, especially when we get down into the cup holder area where you don't see any wrinkles or gloss black at all. Now, unfortunately, the grain pattern is going the opposite direction from my real carbon fiber dash cap. So for that reason alone, this has to come off. After going through a thorough cleaning process with some microfiber towels, a 70% isopropyl alcohol mix, and then my 3D LVP interior cleaning solution, you can see the gloss black is fully restored back to when the car was brand new. All right, so there you have it. Goodbye carbon fiber center console, hello gloss black. I don't know how long mine's gonna stay that way. I'm not sure what I'll do with it, but the good news is, for the sake of this video, if you want to play around with these, explore different colors, different themes, different ideas, have at it. This has been in my car for a long time now. It came right up with no issue, and car looks perfect. Back to being a fingerprint magnet for now. That's all I have for you all in this one, so we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.